In today's video, I'm going to teach you to get American Express Early Access. If you love being first in line for concerts, sports, or special experiences, this walkthrough will help you unlock those pre-sale windows with confidence. First, make sure you're an eligible American Express card member. Early access is a card holder benefit, and availability can vary by card type and region. If you're unsure, sign into your account and review your card benefits. Keep your card handy and confirm your billing details and profile are up to date so checkout goes smoothly once tickets become available. Next, head to the American Express website and look for the Amex Experiences or Entertainment section. This is the central hub where pre-sales and exclusive events are listed. Sign in, then browse by category, city, or date to see what's coming up. Each event page typically highlights the pre-sale window, any purchase limits, and important fine print. Pay attention to time zones and start times. Pre-sales often open right on the dot and can sell out quickly. When you're ready to buy on a partner ticketing site, select the pre-sale option that references American Express. Use your American Express card at checkout, and if an access code is required, enter the customer service number on the back of your card without spaces or dashes. That number serves as your key to the pre-sale. Type it carefully and make sure you're entering it in the correct field. Once your access is verified, complete your purchase using your American Express card as the payment method. While you're exploring, take a moment to check the special programs within Amex Experiences. These rotate throughout the year and can include early access to concerts, sports matchups, theater, and unique limited capacity experiences. Read the details closely so you know the exact window to buy, any eligibility notes, and how many tickets you can purchase. Finally, don't forget your inbox. American Express frequently sends exclusive pre-sale links to eligible cardholders. Add those emails to your primary tab and scan them regularly so you don't miss time-sensitive offers. If you see a pre-sale you want, set a reminder a few minutes before it opens, sign in ahead of time, and have your payment details ready. And that's it. Be an eligible card member, discover events in Amex Experiences, use your card and the customer service number on the back as the access code when asked, explore special programs, and keep an eye on your email for direct pre-sale links. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to getting American Express early access to tickets and events.